Hey there, Money Masters. Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you practical solutions to all your financial and crypto-related questions. Today, we're tackling some interesting questions from our viewers about managing USDT using recovery phrases, transferring funds, and even monetizing them. Stick around, because this is going to be incredibly useful. Question 1. SafePal wallet to Binance. Question: I have a SafePal wallet with USDT, and I have the seed phrase: alarm fetch churn bridge exercise tape speak, race clerk couch crater letter. Could you explain how I can move them to Binance? Answer: Step 1. Log into your Binance account, or create one if you don't already have it. Ensure you've completed the KYC, know your customer, process to enable deposits. Step 2. Open your SafePal wallet app and unlock your USDT wallet. Step 3. On Binance, navigate to Wallet Deposit. Search for USDT and select the TRC20 network, or the network your USDT is on. Copy the deposit address provided by Binance. Step 4. Return to your SafePal wallet. Choose Send, and paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Select the network and the amount you wish to transfer. Then confirm the transaction. Step 5. Wait for the transfer to complete. TRC20 transactions are usually quick and have low fees. Double-check the address and network before confirming to avoid any errors. 2. Question recovery phrase to personal wallet. Question: I have a wallet address with USDT and a recovery phrase: surge fence muscle flower taxi gadget inject rough stage usage electric retreat. How should I transfer them into my personal wallet? Answer: Step 1. Determine which wallet supports your recovery phrase. Popular options include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and SafePal. Ensure they support USDT on the network your funds are stored. Step 2. Import your wallet using the recovery phrase. In the wallet app, select Import Wallet. Enter your 12-word recovery phrase in the correct order. Double-check for typos. Step 3. Once imported, your wallet's balance should appear. You'll now have full access to your funds. Step 4. If you'd like to transfer the funds to another personal wallet, generate a receiving address from your personal wallet. Initiate the transfer from your imported wallet and confirm the transaction. 5. Pro tip: always test with a small amount before transferring large sums. Question: someone transferred me TRC20 USDT, and I have the recovery phrase. Pridepole obtained together second. When future mask review nature potato bulb. How can I monetize these funds? Answer: Step 1. Access the wallet to confirm the funds. Import the recovery phrase into a trusted wallet app like SafePal or Trust Wallet. Check that the USDT is visible in your wallet. Step 2. Transfer the USDT to a crypto exchange. Generate a deposit address from an exchange, like Binance or Kraken. Transfer the TRC20 USDT from your wallet to the exchange. Step 3. Convert USDT to your preferred currency. On the exchange, trade your USDT for fiat currency, e.g. USD, EUR, or another cryptocurrency. Withdraw the fiat directly to your bank account. Step 4. Explore reinvestment options. If you're not cashing out, consider staking or lending platforms that support USDT to earn passive income. I always double-check fees and transaction details to maximize your returns. That's it for today, Money Masters. I hope these answers help you manage and monetize your USDT seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more expert financial tips. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments, and we might feature them in the next video. Until then, keep mastering your money.